In this video, I'll be reviewing Forbright Bank. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to look at the pros and then towards the cons. So let's get started. The first pro we have is top tier savings rates. So I'm just going to go ahead and write pros. And the first one we have is top tier savings rates. So, Forbright boasts some of the highest APYs in the market, particularly for their growth savings and bright savings accounts. This can be a great way to maximize your returns on your savings. The next one we have is variety of savings options. Variety of savings options. Forbright offers different savings accounts to suit your needs. The growth savings is a high yield online option, while the bright savings requires a branch visit but offers tiered rates and ATM access. The next one we have is competitive CD rates. So, competitive CD rates. Forbright's CD rates are also attractive, especially for longer terms. This can be a good option to lock in a guaranteed interest rate for a specific period. And lastly, we have no monthly maintenance fee. So, no monthly maintenance fee. There are no monthly fees on most Forbright Bank accounts, saving you money compared to banks with such charges. Now that is it for the pros. Now we're going to look at the cons. So I'm just going to go ahead and change the color and write cons. So the first con we have is limited branch network. So limited branch network. Forbright has a limited physical presence, primarily concentrated in Maryland and Virginia. This can be inconvenient for those who need frequent access to a branch for tasks like depositing cash or getting cashier's checks. The next one we have is new bank. So it's a newer bank. Forbright Bank is a result of the rebranding of Congressional Bank. While this doesn't necessarily mean it's untrustworthy, some users might prefer the established track record of a longer-standing institution. The next one we have is confusing account details. So, confusing account details. Some user reviews mention the account details and requirements being a bit complex or not entirely clear on the bank's website. And lastly, we have potentially unconventional customer service. So, potentially unconventional customer service. Customer service options might be limited compared to traditional banks. There are also some user reports of a cumbersome indemnity agreement regarding liability. Alright, so now what's the verdict? Forbright Bank can be a compelling option for those seeking top-tier interest rates on savings accounts and CDs. However, the limited physical presence and potentially unconventional customer service approach might be drawbacks for some. So carefully consider your priorities and compare Forbright with other online banks or traditional institutions with a broader branch network before making your decision. So alright guys, that'll be it for the review. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.